Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to easily create a histogram chart in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the chart to appear. Navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Look for the Illustrations group and select Chart. A new window will pop up. On the left side menu, scroll down and click on Histogram. Choose the first option available and then click OK. Your basic histogram chart will now be inserted into the page. To make the chart easier to move around, select it. Click the Layout Options icon that appears on the top right corner of the chart and choose In Front of Text. Now you can drag the chart freely anywhere on your document and resize it using the corner handles. Next, let's update the information. Click on your chart and look at the top menu for the Chart Design tab. Click on Edit Data. A small spreadsheet window will open. Simply replace the default numbers with your own data. As you type, your histogram will update automatically in real time. Once you are finished, just close the spreadsheet window. Finally, let's customize the appearance. You can double-click the chart title text to type in your own custom heading. Up in the Chart Design tab, you can browse through different visual styles or click Change Colors to perfectly match your document's theme. And that is it! You now have a clean, professional histogram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward guides. Thanks for watching.